Hello everyone. So today we are going to build a very simple Bootstrap profile page using Bootstrap. So what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript framework. So Bootstrap CSS is specially used to make our web page responsive. So it looks similar in all the different devices, whether it's your laptop, iPad, or mobile phone. So Bootstrap was developed by this company called Twitter, and it is pretty good. There are other libraries as well in the market. For example, Tailwind, Material UI, and many more. So I'll just create a very simple page, profile page, just with a heading, an image, a paragraph, and menu items. So let's start building it. So I will create an index.html and I will create a style.css. Actually, I'm not going to use any CSS, but just a little bit few maybe. Mostly I'll be using Bootstrap only. So I'll come to the index.html. I use shift 1 and let's connect our the CSS and let's name it Bootstrap simple profile page. And now what I'm going to do, I'll add the Bootstrap as a CDN. So I'll go to Google and I'll search for Bootstrap 4. And once I'm there, I'm going to add the CSS. Yeah, so this is the CSS. I'll just copy it and I'm going to add it here. Now Bootstrap is added in our index.html. Now let's work on the body. So what I'm going to do, so Bootstrap has a bunch of inbuilt classes. So more you go to the documentation, you'll see that there are lots of predefined classes here, which Bootstrap uses and which are already defined. So you can go to like what are the different contains. Okay, you can go to components. So if you go to components, you'll see there are lots of components it has, and these are the predefined classes, CSS classes, alert, warning. So that will have a separate effect. If you have you go under the layout. So let's go to layout and let's see. So in the layout, this is the classes. Container fluid is a full width container spanning the entire width of the viewport. So let's use that for our HTML, and here I will use container fluid. Okay, now I basically want to have a heading, an image, and two columns. One is for menu, one is for a text. So all of them will be inside a they form one single column. So I'll do div dot uh, column amd. This is a bootstrap class, and 12. So inside that my row will be there. Okay, so first of all I'll create a h1 h1 dot display 4, h1 dot display 4, and here I will write my sample profile. Now let's see how does it look. So we'll go step by step. We'll go to open with live server and let's see how does it look. So as you can see, this is what we get, my sample profile. Okay, so there is nothing actually, so I will see what we can add it here. So I can give bg dark, actually 1 second. I'll give bg dark and padding 5 and text white and text center. So these are our bootstrap classes. I did not write any css by myself. So if I see the output, it comes like this. Okay, so just writing a couple of bootstrap classes, I got that. And let's add some image. So let's get an image address first. Sorry. So let's go here and actually, so profile images, I can search for some random images. Let's say I'll get this one. Let's see, copy image address. Let me see what it is. Okay, so I'll get that and I will put here img, and this is the entire image. But now what I'm gonna do, so I'll add some bootstrap image, so make it circle. So what I'm going to do, class, and give rounded circle, and then I'll make it mx auto and d block. So these are bootstrap predefined classes, and if I see the output now, what I'm going to see, sorry, so I can see the image is like this, but it's pretty big. So what I can do, I can reduce the size. So for that, I will write I'll give some width and height. So I will give some width 236 and height to 236. Sorry, 6. So now if I see the output, see, I get like this. So it is kind of a little bit getting too much close with the heading. So what I can do, I put a little bit of break here, and now see, yeah. Now what I can do, I'll create a nav bar. So that nav bar will be on the left side. So for that, I have to use div.row, and in that row I have 2 items. Okay, div dot call sm2, and another one will be div dot call sm 10. Okay, so this one will have the nav bar, the first one, and the second one will have some paragraph. So I'll put a p tag and I'll let lorem 200, and here this will be, I'll give the justify content center. So the items will be at the center, and sorry, this will go above, I'll give the link of this code in the description, and because I want both of them to be at the center of the page, so for that I have given justify content center. This will be applied on both these divs, so it will bring both the divs at the center of the page. And after that I will have to create a nav bar, and it will followed by a UL followed by li star 5. So what will be in the nav bar? I have class nav bar bg diet, this light actually, nav bar bg light, and here in the UL it will be class nav flex mistake I made. And here I have to first write what I want is home menu sorry, menu is different, about gallery services contact. So let's see how does it look. I don't think it will look great now. Yeah, so just as like this, and so it's not visible actually. Yeah, so it is coming like this, and the paragraph we have given by yeah. So now we get a paragraph and we get them these things. Now each of these items are clickable. So what I have to do, I have to add these things inside a tag actually. Uh, so Bootstrap is pretty simple. Just you have to know the name of the classes, and that you can know only through practice. So that one, and these are clickable, and I will add some classes. I'll add class equals to nav item, and then h4, and in the a I will add class nav link, okay, and href so I'll just copy these things, all the a and all the evals lis, and here this one also I'll copy this class, Now let's see how does it look. So it looks a little bit better now. You can see that we have the galleries here. The menu is here, as you can see. Actually, let me squeeze it a little bit. Sorry. So now if I try to see, you can see these are all clickable links, and I just did this with minimum efforts with the help of Bootstrap. So let's continue to do some more changes, and I would say that I think, yeah, we're pretty much done with this part, and I can add one more thing in this paragraph, which is text justify and then lead. It's an important class, lead, so it will change the look of the paragraph. Oops, something wrong happened. Hello. Oh yeah. So now it comes in a much better way. Okay. And I can give a break here. I can add an email address maybe. Let's after the image, let's put a break and just give a break. That's it. And after that, I'll have a paragraph which will have email equals to contact at gmail.com, and then you give another break, and you can add in this email this classes, which is text center and h3 text center h3. And now if you go back and look at, you get an email address below, and if you just try to squeeze the page, see, it's kind of a responsive way. Yeah, it's not breaking, the page is not breaking. Like if I just try to squeeze the page, it's working fine, but here it is breaking. These are coming, getting over one another. So what I can do is, for that what I can do is, I can, in this column, I can add a style, and I can give min width I can give like a fixed value 180 pixel level. And now if I check the outcome, it will not break at all. So you can say, yeah, so after minimum width it will make the paragraph go below. Okay, so the whole page looks pretty good. It has a heading, it has a image of email, and there is a nav bar on the left side, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Just practice more and more Bootstrap, so you'll get more confident. Okay, thank you very much.